Hi there, let's get ready to spell some sounds together. I have my rice tray, and I know that you've been using some different material too, something that you can touch or write in, something that you can feel and have that sensation of, that multisensory touch. So with that said, I'm going to say a sound, you are going to repeat the sound, and then we are going to spell the sound using the material that we have access to. So the first sound we have is the sound or. Repeat that sound. Or. Good. And let's spell it. O-R spells or. Very good. Shake out your tray. The next sound we have is the sound and I'll remind you that there are 3 ways that we can spell the sound You ready? Here we go. I'm going to divide my tray into 3 parts. I know that IR says I know that ER says and I know that UR says Did you get those? Good work. Okay, shake out your tray. Get your material ready. The next sound is the sound thur. Repeat that sound. Thur. Good, let's spell that sound. THR spells thur. Good job. Shake out your tray. The next sound is the sound B. Repeat that sound. B. Let's spell that sound. B spells B. Very good job. The next sound is the sound O. And I will give you a hint that we know 4 ways to spell the sound O. So I'm going to break up my board into 4 parts. And here we go. I know that O can say O. I know that O, silent E, can say O. I know that the vowel team OA can say O. And I know that the vowel team OE can say O. So we have 4 ways that we know to spell the sound O. Okay, the next sound is the sound that we've been working on this week. It's the sound aw. And I know there are 2 ways to spell the sound aw. Can you repeat that sound? Good. Let's write down all the ways we know how to spell aw. I know that a U says aw at the beginning and at the middle of a word. And I know that a W says aw at the end of a word or syllable, and sometimes at the middle of a word if the word ends with an N or an L. Aw. Good job. Okay, I have 2 more sounds for us to spell. The next sound is the sound bull. Bull. And we can break bull up we can break our board up into 2 sections because we know 2 ways to spell bull. I know that BL spells bull, and I know that consonant BLE can say bull. Great work. The last sound is the sound Say that sound. Good job. I know U says Good work.